We have already discussed about different views of a document, and we will go a little bit deeper into document views in this chapter. We are in View tab, and the group I am talking about is document views. There are 5 views given here. The default and selected one is print layout, which shows you that how the page will look when it is being printed. The second is full screen reading, which is useful when you are reading the document throughout. Third is the web layout, which view the document as it would look as a web page. The fourth one is outline, which views the document as an outline and shows the outlining tools. And the last one is draft view, in which the document would be appeared as draft, where there will be only text. So this is it for this tutorial. We will move further and cover some more lessons in our next tutorials. Thank you.